I want to be in it, and Mr. Hammer wants to be in it too. Okay, you take a picture of me in this thing, and then you take a picture of her and this thing and me. Ow. Mr. Hammer, be nice.
All right. Cut. All right. Take 3. I'm going to try this fancy thing that people do with their phone where they like go like this and show themselves on the videos or something. So I have no idea if I'm too close or if I'm even looking at the screen right, or maybe my head's gigantic. I don't really know until I look at the video. Because like people do this stuff and they make it look cool. So, take 3. Piper not hitting herself in the head with the hammer, or Mr. Hammer. We are going to take apart this lamp so I can get rid of this. This darn arm. Hey, get your booger off my finger. Get your booger picker off my finger.
Okay.
All right.
I need to tell you guys something. I'm not helping with this thing, even to get a screw out.
No, we don't really need you, Mr. Hammer.
What?
We just need this socket, which I'm going to pick up with my finger right now. I can't get it. Piper, pick up that socket. There we go. I got it.
Hello there.
Hello, Spencer.
It's my cut right now.
No, we're all in the video.
Okay, but what about that Mr. Guy who's holding that phone right now?
All right. So, Spencer, here's what we're going to do.
Seriously, who's going to be in the video that's holding a camera right now?
All right, chill out. Seriously.
Camera blah. How do you make a video?
All right, so round 4. Piper and Spencer
are going to take apart this lamp. And like we said, we forgot to tell you guys that we were moving down onto this brown table right here.
Yep, this is now our workbench.
Hey, can I have the phone? I want to hold it. Okay, Spencer, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
What? You're just mean. Okay, what does Daddy want to say?
So what do we got to do is, are these the nuts? All right.
Okay, bye.
Are these the nuts that we need to take off?
Yes, those are screws.
Are they? Look real close.
Want to look on the back?
Okay.
Screws.
So those are the screws we need to take off. Spencer, you want to get on this? All right. So, take them off.
Okay.
Piper can do those.
Okay, everyone. We're going to take these off. Can you help me screw?
You have to hold the bottom. No, hold the bottom of the screw with one finger. Hold it tight. Make sure you're using the... That's a socket. Let's see. There you go.
Why does it say caution? Occasional flying tools in this area.
Because I don't like when people mess with my tools. And if people... Oh. What? It says...
I know, occasional flying tools.
Oh, up there. Because if I'm working on something... That's supposed to be funny, because if I'm working on something and I get mad because it's not... The bolt's not working or something, I'll probably throw a hammer or something. That's what people do.
Hang on. Can you everyone do screw, screw, screw with me?
Yeah. Alright.
Kind of just spectacular.
So now, we'll pop that one out.
to see. And all to let you guys know, you have to pull to get this out.
This one takes a little muscle. And Spencer is now shooting the video.
We need to have
You take the what? What is that thing?
the socket.
The what?
The socket. The socket!
The socket to ya. Hey Piper, when I do that, you should go like this. Like you're getting hit. That way. Like your chin and go. There you go.
Ow. Now, why'd you get me so hurt? Now, do the same thing that we did with the last nut.
Yep.
Screw, screw, screw to get it off.
Remember the rules? Righty.
Tighty, lefty, loosey.
Watch this one. I used my mind.
Okay, everyone.
Spencer, don't shake it.
If we just had the wire cut, we would have this free. But we can't do that
Oh.
because we don't have the scissors.
Alright. So we've done this one. We're trying to get the cord loose so I can hang that lamp from up there. So now, we have to do this one, and this one,
So we'll
and
have to
pinch Spencer's head.
Okay, everyone. So we need to do with the nut, screw, 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 and again with your fingers, screw, screw, screw. You can do that, Spencer. Oh, and if you're wondering what my name is, I forgot to tell you. My name is, if you're wondering, Piper again. If you want to know my,
You should not reveal our last name.
I know it.
Who are you?
Spencer.
Like I said,
Spencer
his name is Baby Spencer.
No.
His name is Baby Spencer.
Stop saying that.
So let's take the hammer and go boom,
All right.
boom, boom
Hammer it!
with me.
Hammer time!
Now you try.
Now Spencer can try that one. No? Here, hand it.
Let us just act as if this wasn't here. What? See?
Magic.
Alright, hammer this screw out, Spencer.
That's so funny.
Hammer that screw out, Spencer.
Use my magic.
Get out. Oh. Alright. Spencer, pop this spring off.
Wait 1 second. Should just hammer it like a claw.
These are the claws. The claws. Those are used for prying. So put the claws. No, on the screw.
Okay, everybody. Roll. Never mind. Okay, we can use this one. So, everybody, looking at me. Everybody,
Keep pulling.
looking at me.
Use the hammer to pry against. There you go. Pull hard. Come on, dude. No. Pull. Use the hammer as leverage.
Okay,
Take this thing off.
we are almost done with this.
Take that one off.
We should be. Right, guys? Guys.
There we go.
This doesn't really hurt.
Alright, so I've figured out that this is a four-walled channel. So to get this cord out of this channel, I was going to cut the cord, which would be the fastest way to do it. But the proper way to do it is to get this black, I don't know what you call this thing. What do you call that thing, Spencer? This black thing.
I don't know.
Well, we have to get the I don't know out of there. And if you look real close, Spencer, there's screws or something in there. But we need to take this locking ring thingamajigger off there, and then we need to get this thing off there. And we can pull the screws off that socket, and we can pull the cord through the whole light. What do you think, dude?
Yeah.
You ready to roll?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's do it!
Just kidding. Yes.
Okay. So, what do we need?
Diamond's back.
Okay, everybody, I'm back.
Alright, so we got to take this pliers, take off this ring. There you go. The ring, Piper, not the switch.
Ow.
The ring. This little silver ring.
Ow.
You gotta twist it. Other way.
Can I try?
Alright. Let Spencer try. If you look real close, Piper, it's threaded. So it's like a screw.
What?
Oh, now you did it.
Right.
What? That's a different sized wrench. So, you see the arm there? It can go on the different slots. So that means it's an adjusting pliers. You want to take that off?
It can get really tiny. Is it this way?
Mm-hmm. Alright, you should be able to finger loosen it now.
I'll finger loosen it,
Yep.
and I can take it off.
Alright. Don't lose that thing.
Yeah.
We want that. Both those, or that one.
Let's put it.
And
All right.
don't tuck that in.
Actually, you could tuck that in. Take that black thing off. Does it like on... No, the black thing for the electric cord.
I know. I gotta try.
Alright, so now we need to take this black thing off. Spencer, you wanna... Either of you guys wanna do this? This focus is horrible.
I'll try it with the pliers.
Piper, it's not a pliers job. Unless you get the smallest setting.
I'm just gonna try it. Okay, everybody, we're trying to get this off right now. And that will not work, so...
No. Remember, you had to use the screwdriver to get in there and pry that thing up.
Ooh.
Alright, I'll pull the black thing off.
Right.
What?
This is interesting.
That's like a cord stopper thing. When cords go through metal things and stuff, you need to put those on
I
the
want to play with
around it so they don't get the wires don't get cut and stuff.
Oh.
Now we need to cut this short because I got 7 seconds. I found out this is soldered on.